make some noise for Fusion Step Team, y'all.
Dorothy, there's a whole world out there. You've always talked about winning something, but you can't win if you're not willing to get out there and explore. Winning comes from diligence and dedication. You won't find that from just sitting in the house.
You're right, Auntie Em. I've never won anything in my life. A contest, a competition, a trophy. But I know if I work hard and put the work in, I'll have a chance at winning anything I put my mind to.
You have to challenge yourself, Dorothy. If you settle for the same experiences, you'll get the same results. The path to being successful and winning anything begins with believing that you can. If you believe, anything is possible.
You're right, Auntie Em. But it's getting really windy out here. We should go inside.
Fusion? Can you guys help me get back home?
Home? Psst. The trophy from the Wiz is your ticket home.
The Wiz? We will tell you.
the Wiz can win this competition for us?
He's the Wiz. I'm sure he can. Follow us this way to Emerald City.
Do you guys hear that?
How quick fashion goes down the drain. Last week when you all was wearing pink, already for me red was old. The ultimate yellow brick is gold.
Gold all in my chain, gold all in my ring, gold all in my watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
We made it! We made it!
We made it?
Welcome to Emerald City. Dorothy, just look inside and you will see you are a winner all along. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you put your mind to.
Really? Ahead of me all along?
Yes. And now, here's the trophy. Your ticket home.